What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Sharknomz, where we eat stuff. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's weird, but either way, we tell you about it. Well, what do we have today?
Today is Cinnamon Toast Crunch Churros.
Why do we have to only get the gimmicky stuff? We're such hype beasts. Put something strange on the cereal box, we're gonna buy it. Why couldn't we just get the regular old Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Well, I guess then you wouldn't come on the internet and watch us eat regular things. Either way, you're watching people eat stuff on the internet. You're weirdos. Okay.
I mean, I hope you like it. It's family sized.
What are you trying to say? We do always buy the family size box. Alright, smell test.
Ow!
Smell it.
I did. I
Smell
took a
it.
big old whiff.
Do it again. Okay, well, it smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, first of all. There's no way this tastes like anything but Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
But I mean, that would be a good thing, though, because Cinnamon Toast Crunch is really good.
Alright, hold the bowl up.
It's my favorite cereal, so...
Cinnamon Toast Crunch is your favorite?
Yeah.
Well, mine's Reese's, so we're different people.
My grown-up cereal is,
Ooh, hot
Frosted Flakes.
Okay,
So,
eat a dry one first.
they're very churro-shaped.
They are... Well, now the inside of my mouth is all tore up. Don't eat them dry. Don't eat them dry. So this is what I was a little bit worried about. I thought, well, what if they're just like enlarged Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but like same amount of flavor in each one, so it's spread out. They are a little less punchy. It tastes like, I don't want to say diet. Sure, like diet Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but like...
There's just like less coating on them, I guess.
Way less sweet. Way more cinnamon, way less sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Put the milk in there.
So far, so good.
I mean, so far, so...
So far, so okay.
I mean, it tastes like cereal. Well, I guess that's put more milk in there.
I'm spilling it everywhere.
You're always so stingy with the milk. Just
You gotta
put the milk in the cereal.
You put milk in it until it rises, and that's enough.
Dude, I put it in there until cereal's about to fall out. All right, let's go. It's falling out. Look at that.
That's why you only do it until it rises.
No. Well, at least we're sitting over a table.
I'm so scared to get in here. We're gonna spill this everywhere.
I've never smoked weed, but this makes me consider trying it. Wait a minute. They actually taste like churros.
Yeah, a little bit.
You know how a churro, you bite in, hard external, it's all cinnamon. All you get is cinnamon at first. But then you chew it, the inside's the doughy part, and that's where the churro taste comes from. When you chew them up, they taste like churros.
Give me another bite.
All right. Okay, hold on. Here's the problem. Wait, I got one right here. We didn't intend to start scoring things on this show, but we tend to. This is really dangerous. I don't want to give it too high of a score because then, like, I don't know. Usually, you don't do that. You got to save something to one day finally give the perfect 5 out of 5 stars. But this is high. This is like 4.2. This is like, which is a good score. That's not,
Yeah, it's edible. We'll probably keep eating it. Would you buy this over regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch, though?
I think I would.
Really?
Well, I've already said regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch is like sugar. Too sugary.
That's why I like it.
This has way less sugar than Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It legit tastes like a churro. Here.
It is good. Ah!
So, there you have it. 4.2?
4.2.
Yeah, guys, listen. Hold on. I got milk beard. Don't act like you weirdos aren't enjoying sitting there watching me devour. Nothing better than a fat kid eating cereal. Alright, if you like what you saw, hold on. Milkwood. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hold on. Come back next time. Hang out with us. Watch us eat more weird stuff, you bunch of weirdos. Peace out.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.